Hi guys, Ian at Paint Tech. I'm going to show you how to strip down a gun and put it all back together, explaining each part in turn. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do if you're messing around with the gun is add the trigger lock. So what you do is push the gun forward a little bit and then push down the trigger lock. Okay, so now that it's locked, safety first. Okay, so what we'll do is go through the gun in part. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the tip. To do that, just loosen the guard a little bit and then just wiggle out the tip. So that's the tip, and then carry on spinning the guard, and there's the guard. So we've got tip and guard. Then what we're going to do is just pull the trigger back a little bit, and then the trigger guard will pop down from this little place here. Okay, and we'll put that back in a second. Then what we do is hold the head of the gun, take the handle and turn the head. As you can see, it starts to remove, okay? So the head pops off, and then what we've got is these two elements. One is the filter, and then the other is the spring. That's how it all looks. So if you've got to put a gun back together, this is the way to do it. Okay, everything's been taken apart and explained. So first thing we do is take the handle. We drop in the spring. We take the filter. Make sure that the filter goes with the fat end down. We take the head of the gun, and then what we do is we use the thread and we just turn it round. It's finger tight. There you go, that's finger tight. Take the trigger guard, that pops in there. Take the tip guard, tighten it all the way until it's solid, then just loosen a couple of turns until it's a little bit loose. Take the tip itself has a little ridge on one side, that goes to the front. So all we do is give it a little wiggle, straighten up the tip, retighten the guard, again, finger tight, align the tip with the head. There we go. That gun is all ready to go. So if you want to start spraying, push the trigger forward, lift the trigger lock, away we go. Job's a good one.